Today we will learn about birds. Okay children? Birds will have beak to eat and birds can fly through their wings. Yes, no children? Birds will have feathers and wings. They will fly in the sky. Yes, no children? And they will live in the nest. They will lay eggs. Okay children? So today we will learn about birds. Okay? So in that birds, some birds can fly, some birds cannot fly. Okay? We will see what are the birds can fly, what are the birds cannot fly. Okay children? So first we will learn what are the birds can fly. We will see that birds names. Okay? Birds that fly. Vulture. Vultures are large birds. Okay children? They will fly. Eagle. Eagle also can fly very high and you can see from the very high. Okay? They will have very sharp eyes. Okay children? They can see from the far places also. Okay? And sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. Okay? And pigeon. Pigeon is a grey bird. Okay? Grey color bird. Grey color bird. So that's why we will say. Owl. Owl can see in the night time only. Can't see in the daytime. Okay children? Parrot. Parrot will have red beak. Okay? Have you seen the parrot? Yes. Parrot will be in green color and have beak in red color. And crow. Crow will be black color. It can fly. It is a common bird. Okay children? These birds can fly in the sky. Okay? Now see the birds that cannot fly. Okay? See children, these birds will have wings, feathers, but they cannot fly in the sky. Okay? Duck. Duck can swim in the water. Okay? Duck is a bird but it cannot fly. Okay? It can swim in the water. Hen. Hen will lay eggs. Hen will lay eggs. Emu. Emu will have very long, large legs. Okay na? Legs chala podavga untayi. Okay na? Emu bird. Okay? It is a bird but it cannot fly. Penguin. Penguin we can see in the cold region. Okay children? Chala unna prantalallo man cold penguins chudagalugutam. Okay na? And penguin is a bird but it cannot fly. Ostrich. Ostrich is the fastest running animal. It can run very fast children. Okay? So some birds will fly very high, no? Like eagle. Eagle will fly very high. Like that, ostrich also will run very fast. Okay? Ostrich also is a bird but it cannot fly. It will run very fast. And peacock. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. Yes, no children? Her feathers are very beautiful but it can't fly. And it is, what is the special of this bird children? And it is our national bird. Okay, remember this. Peacock is our national bird. So see children, these birds cannot fly in the sky. Okay? So see, the birds can fly and these birds cannot fly. Okay? Now open your course book and you can see these pictures. See, this is vulture. See the picture Nana? Vulture, eagle, sparrow, pigeon, parrot, owl, crow. Crow will be in black color. Duck. Birds that cannot fly. Ivi egaragaligevi, ivi egaralenivi. Okay na? That cannot fly. Duck. Emu. Hen. Penguin. See? Ostrich. Peacock. Okay children? Read page number 52 and 53 in your course book Nana. Okay? Thank you.